If lighting is the jewelry of the room, and it certainly is, then it stands to reason that lighting trends will come and go. Of course, swapping out lights is a little bit more involved than changing earrings, but compared to changing tile or counters, it can still be a relatively painless way to update your kitchen. If you are looking to refresh your space this year, you are in luck. I talked to designers and experts to find out what is in and out in 2024 when it comes to kitchen lighting, and I have got the inside scoop on 3 lighting trends that are hot and one that is not. Overall, designers and homeowners alike are leaning into cozier lighting options for the kitchen. We are seeing a shift towards more intimate and warm lighting options, creating a cozier atmosphere, just like a living room, says DeBito, a designer, artist, and author of Old Brand New, Colorful Homes for Maximal Living. Since the kitchen is a central gathering spot, I recommend placing table lamps on countertops, islands, and shelves to introduce a softer ambiance, DeBito says. Instead of conventional task light sconces, consider using fixtures with natural materials that infuse warmth into the space. This approach not only enhances the functionality of the kitchen, but also makes it a more inviting area for family and friends to enjoy. Elaine Thompson, a New York City and Charleston-based interior designer and the principal behind Pistachio Designs, seconds that. A small-scale task lamp adds a warm, cozy, intimate feel to a kitchen space, she says. Battery-powered lamps like these are ideal for early mornings or late nights when you do not want to turn on all of the overhead fixtures, Thompson says. And because there is no cord and no clutter, you have even more flexibility to move around the light wherever you need it most. Forget big box stores. One of the things I love most in my new home's dining area is the vintage light fixture that echoes the 1950s build of the house. There is a growing trend of embracing vintage lighting by repurposing antique fixtures, says Ellen Marie Bennett, founder and chief brand officer of Headley & Bennett and host of Kitchen Glow Up. Homeowners and interior designers are drawn to the timeless appeal and craftsmanship of vintage pieces, finding creative ways to integrate them into modern spaces, says Bennett. Whether refurbishing old chandeliers as focal points in contemporary dining rooms or converting retro desk lamps into stylish accents for home offices, the trend highlights a desire for unique, sustainable decor that tells a story. This move towards vintage lighting adds character and warmth to interiors and also highlights a shift towards more thoughtful design choices. While functional recessed can lights may not be disappearing anytime soon, some designers want to see them take a backseat to lighting you can, well, see. I am so pleased to continue seeing excitement over decorative surface-mounted lighting in kitchens of all sizes, says Naz Nozawa, principal designer and founder of Naz Design. From small flush mount lights in place of recessed can lights to megawatt statement chandeliers and oversized pendants over kitchen islands, I just love kitchen lighting that you can see versus only having discrete architectural lighting. That said, Nozawa also likes lighting that actually helps you see in new but clever ways. Another lighting feature I want to include more in my future kitchen lighting is nightlight, toe kicks, she says. These are a low light glow on the bottom of kitchen cabinets that lets you grab a water refill late at night without having to skulk around in the dark or blast your eyes with light. Nobody says kitchen lighting has to look, well, kitchen-y. When I moved into my new house and had a bare light bulb on the ceiling at first, I grabbed a floor lamp from the living room to provide some light. Even after I replaced the overhead fixture, I liked the lamp so much I kept it. This speaks to the trend of mixing things up when it comes to lighting in a kitchen. Matching the decor is predictable, says Isabel Ladd of Isabel Ladd Interiors. Mixing up lighting in a kitchen is unique and lends to a curated, collected look, Ladd says. The approach is simple. Bring in lights that you would traditionally find in other areas of the house. For instance, library sconces flanking a stovetop, lamps you would find in a living room tucked under a countertop, and a statement light, whether it is antique or simply just awesome, as a focal point over an island. Ladd has a quick rule of thumb for her lighting queries. I ask myself, does this light look kitcheny? If it does, then I do not use it. If the answer is no, it could belong in another part of the house too, then that is when I know I have found the right mix. Whether you agree with Ladd's creative take on kitchen lighting or just want a cozier space, now you know the hottest lighting trends on their way in and out this year. Pieces that do double duty are the unsung heroes of every small home, like storage ottomans that function as coffee tables or a toilet paper holder with a built-in shelf. And now you can add one more smart two-in-one style to your space, thanks to IKEA's new table lamp with a built-in speaker. IKEA's SYMFONISK light includes a 180-degree speaker base topped off with a 10-inch tall glass or fabric lampshade. Both portions come in black or white options, so you can go for a monochromatic or two-toned design. Either way, it looks modern and minimalist with a stacked design that feels like a more structured, elongated take on the popular mushroom lamp trend. The whole piece clocks in at just 6 inches wide, but it's powerful enough to connect to Wi-Fi and play your favorite album or podcast at optimal volume. No separate sound system needed. Just download the Sonos app to control the speaker, and voila. The more of these SYMFONISK lights, the merrier too. You can sync two or more together to play the same thing simultaneously, even at different volumes. Or get caught up on a new audiobook in one room while your partner or roommate listens to music on the SYMFONISK in another. These also have small volume, play, and pause buttons on the speaker itself, so they're easy to adjust or turn on and off. Designed in collaboration with Sonos, the full SYMFONISK speaker line is dedicated to creating a soothing, sleep-enhancing sound system. Because when you're not queuing up the latest Charlie XCX album, you can use this lamp to wind down with some gentle nature sounds or white noise right from your nightstand. I got to see this light in action at IKEA's Sleep Easy pop-up event in New York last week, and can confirm that it makes the perfect small space-friendly sound machine. That said, you can benefit from a SYMFONISK speaker lamp way beyond the bedroom, from your TV stand to a kitchen counter. At $249.99, it's a little bit pricier than your average IKEA lamp, but you're getting a high-quality speaker and extra light in one fits just about anywhere silhouette. Plus, it can see you from your morning podcast recaps to dinner party playlists to pre-bedtime wind-down rituals, all in a day's work. All right, design lovers, let us dive into our next segment. 9 brilliant organizers you will want for every room of your house, starting at just $5. Whether it is a hook that can be used to store gadgets in the kitchen, bathroom, or garage, or a storage cart that can move to wherever you need it, versatile organizers are game changers. They can be used in a multitude of ways and in a variety of places. So how can you not want more of them everywhere? With that in mind, we are highlighting the best organizers that can be used in every room of your home. These are the winning versatile finds from Apartment Therapy's 2024 Organization Awards. First up is the Container Store plastic storage bin with handles. This bin is not only versatile and affordable, but it is also Pro Organizer approved. It comes in a variety of sizes and colors, so you can pick your favorite. At just $4.99, it is a steal. Next, we have the Serena and Lily La Jolla basket. This beautiful and functional basket has an impressive storage capacity. You will want to display this woven handmade basket all over your home, whether it is a stylish laundry basket in your bedroom or for blanket storage in your living room. At $128, it is definitely an investment piece, but one that will add a touch of elegance to any room. For those who love a bit of style with their storage, the Hearth in Hand with Magnolia Fabric Storage Box with faux leather accent is a must-have. Priced at $19.99, it can be stored on a bookshelf in your living room, a dresser in your bedroom, or a desk in your office. This fabric storage box will add both storage and style to your space. Label lovers, rejoice! The Brother P Touch Cube Plus is everything you need in a label maker, and then some. Lightweight, portable, and battery-free. This model lets you print pre-designed or custom labels with just your phone or computer using Bluetooth wireless technology. It is priced at $99.98, making it a bit of a splurge, but one worth every penny for the organization it brings. If you are looking for a non-permanent solution to hang items on your walls, the Command Variety Pack is a must-have. There are many creative ways to use these hooks, from storing cleaning tools to holding up coats, keys, and umbrellas by the front door. And at $19.93, it is a versatile and affordable solution for any home. When investing in a big storage furniture piece, you want something that will not only meet your storage needs, but is also made to last. Enter Thuma the Credenza. It is functional, customizable, and timeless. With a price tag of $4,125, it is definitely a significant investment, but its minimal modular design allows you to add, rearrange, or remove drawer or cubby units, making it worth every penny. To make the most of your space, you should maximize your vertical storage. One of the best ways to do so is to trust in a reliable over-the-door organizer like the Alpha White Utility Mesh Closet over-the-door rack from the Container Store. It is a repeat winner for a reason. It is customizable and versatile, and it adds so much storage. Originally priced at $169.50, it is currently on sale for $127.12. Cube organizers offer great storage potential, and we love the IKEA Kallax Cube Organizer best. Its simple design allows you to personalize it as much as you want, from changing the color to the cubes to the intended purpose. Priced at $79.99, it is a versatile and affordable storage solution. Last but certainly not least is the IKEA Ruskog Utility Cart. This organizing workhorse fits the smallest of spaces, is easily movable from room to room, and can be used for virtually anything. And at just $39.99, it is extremely affordable. There you have it, folks. 9 brilliant organizers you will want for every room of your house. Whether you are looking to add style, functionality, or a bit of both, these organizers have got you covered. And that wraps up today's episode of Daily Interior Design Inspo. I hope you found some inspiration to help you make your space more organized and stylish. Until next time, this is Betsy Helmuth signing off. Stay inspired.